Another lazy afternoon. The clouds covered in gray. Third coffee of the day. Almost fell asleep on Zoom. I yawn at the display. Third meeting of the day. Lose your youth, 'cause
we're literally living the sweet life. Whoa, this is our little bathroom. We have a little desk area here and then 4 bunk beds. Actually, those are like a double. Do you think I should take the double? Semester at sea, girlies. We just found out the restaurant is in fact about to open. Absolutely thrilled. This is the beginning of the Amsterdam vlog. This is the intro. It's just Julie and I desperately trying to find food.
I was just gonna say that I feel awkward on camera. I don't know what to say. I watched lots of vlogs on YouTube, so like my dreams realized into reality. I don't know, guys. It's been a long day.
We got a chicken burger. Jillian just had to pay for mine because I didn't bring my card down, so I have to pay her back when we go upstairs. It's not you picking everything off. Everything off.
To red onions.
Oh no!
Only if I ate them. I'm not gonna eat them.
We made it to Amsterdam. Our walking tour is until 1:30. 12, no, they changed it, it's 1:30. He just sent it in the message chat. Laundry, which I'm hoping works because people who did laundry in London last night had some serious troubles. So that's my plan for tonight, I think. I heard the sex museum's good, so I might go do that.
It's just a matter of time before your cheeks turn into peaches and the stars realign. Another glass of wine to find the diamonds in.
We got some of these. Fright sauce. Is that what we said it was called?
Yeah.
Fright sauce.
Mine was truffle. Yeah, it was great. I mean, tasted like truffle, which is exactly what I wanted.
Okay.
I got the garlic mayo because I was a little iffy on mayo on fries in general, so I needed a little flavor. It's fucking delicious. I would also say fries.
I got the Belgian mayo. I like it a lot, but I definitely would have gotten Ari's again.
Jillian just spilled mayo down her shirt, so she's gonna dip out of this. 10 out of 10. 5 out of 5. What are we ranking out of?
You got me running circles inside of my head. Now we're doing everything that
It is in fact a water fountain.
she replies like stuck under covers, under lovers, paradox, and we don't stop till Aphrodite sings. We're both stuck under covers, under lovers, paradox, and we don't stop till Aphrodite sings.
It's so pretty
Amsterdam
here.
is so underrated.
We've been here for 3 hours. Already big Amsterdam fans.
yeah.
We're getting a European Fanta because Isabel literally will not stop
I've had like
talking
15
about it.
Fantas today. I really need to be their spokesperson.
Is there a way to drink it raw?
I'm just gonna eat the top of it.
I think that's wrong. I don't think.
Whipped cream.
We're in a museum that has like real preserved human remains. It was really good. I'm not gonna put any of the footage in. It might be graphic for some people, so I'm not going to.
I'm jumping over waves for a minimal gaze. Running up the top, but they say it's a phase. Taking down costs like we're spending the day. Making up ground like we paving the way. We don't stop running miles.
It is late. It is 8:30. It's not late, but I haven't eaten dinner. This is such an active city. Like everyone is out here running. Someone is rollerblading backwards over there. My laundry came out barely damp out of the washing machine. When I put it in the tumble dryer, I put it on medium instead of high because the medium setting was an hour long and it was already mostly dry. I swear on my life it came out more wet than it went in. Good morning. I'm attempting to find the tram station. My Google Maps is not working, so I'm hoping for the best. I am terrible at navigating public transportation. Hopefully be able to find the Anne Frank house. I made it to the Anne Frank house at like 9:07. My time slot to enter was 9 to 9:15. Anne Frank house doesn't allow pictures to be taken in there. Obviously I wasn't gonna film anything in there, but it was really, really good. There was a lot of things that I think you just cannot convey through like a history class or a book. One of those things for me was like actually being in the annex, and not that it was big, obviously, obviously it was not big, especially for 8 people. I didn't realize it was 3 floors. The stairs, it was like climbing a ladder. It was ridiculously steep because the area was so small. They also had obviously a lot of the original relics. They had pages from her diaries. The original bookcase had original books on it. It's definitely worth a visit. Amsterdam is a really beautiful city.
How many nights do I have to fall in love before I outrun my inhibitions?
I ended up getting on the tram. Still got the wrong place, but my allergies are getting much worse, which is entirely my fault. Every time there's a flower on the side of the road, I'm stopping and smelling it because they all smell so good.
I see you betting on the fame upon your name to feel that rush within your veins. You love these Wall Street boys got dough from that. And when you feel alone, well, you should know this 8.4 million souls that feel the way you do. So
I am doing an absolutely awful job of vlogging Amsterdam. All you really need to know is that I'm going on hour 28 of having my ass absolutely kicked by the Amsterdam tram system. The red light district was really cool. I think it's more of a nightlife kind of scene. The weather's so nice. I'm gonna sit in the park.
arguing again, arguing about something so simple. Make it clear, tell me why you're running back to him. Feeling insecure, feeling like there's more to your character. Every tear that you cry is worth it in the end. But baby, tell me, how have you not figured it out? Ooh, dry your eyes. The world can always give you reasons to cry. But understand, you're stronger than you know. There's power in your bones. The flowers that you've grown were watered by your tears. You say you're growing.
This is my favorite spot in Amsterdam so far.
If you can hear the music, there's people over there on the gazebo, group dancing, just vibing. I'm reading my book, but I keep getting distracted by like literally any dog or bird that passes me. Everyone is so nice here. Fit is cute. Fit is definitely park chic. I've decided to go the long way back to my hostel, not by choice, but because I got lost on the 5-minute walk. My hostel, by the way, backs onto the park, and I still somehow took a wrong turn.
So you finally run, running far away from your history. But there's clouds over your head every time, and they keep following you with no clue of what to do.
By the Eiffel Tower.
We just got attacked by like a parrot looking bird. It just dive bombed us and it chased us across the road.